Hi, I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my jewelry retouching tutorial. The big problem for any online store is how to put all rings in the same angle. And the answer is shoot like this and turn this ring to 105 degree, then we will get this kind of result. I have downloaded these images for education purpose so that we can learn how luxury jewelry photographer and master retouching artists retouch this kind of images. You may see the file info of this ring. Go to file and file info and you can see all the details. So how to retouch this kind of image? We have a 7 steps retouching system. The first step is to create a clipping path. Now enlarge this image. Take pen tool. See path is selected and most important, exclude overlapping shapes is also selected. Then we can start from anywhere. Keep your finger on the Alt button so that we can change the direction or cut the directional handle. Do not press the Alt button, just keep there so that we can easily work and create the clipping path. Yes, Alt and cut here. And here we see a small circle below the pen tool. We can now close the clipping path. We can adjust the anchor points by pressing Ctrl or Command and we can move. Now press Alt and change the direction and now it is ready. And now inside. For inside we can start from here and now after creating the clipping path, go to Paths, double click Work Path, name it Rose Gold, press OK. To save this clipping path, we have to save the image also. Save as the image, then the path will be saved along with the image. Then second step is now to activate the clipping path. Go to layers, press Ctrl Command Enter, and now to copy this selection, press Ctrl Command J. Now put a white background behind this before ring, press create a new layer icon and then press Shift F5 and now we have a white background. After that, go to layer 1, this before image, press Ctrl Command T and now go to this angle and put 105 degree. Now we can see that, take move tool and see this ring is exactly on the after image here. Now we can edit this ring like this. So what we are going to do, just bring this white background above the after image. First we will retouch this ring, then afterwards we will delete this background and see the sample layer which is after image, and then we'll correct ourselves. We'll learn where we commit mistake or we have to change ourselves. Make another layer, name it as metal, and layer 1 is as diamonds. We are going to edit metal separately and diamond separately. Then first task is press Ctrl Command L for levels. Then here now the readings are 225 and 50. Then press OK. Enlarge it. We have to finish here, this black spot, here, this black mark, and here. Take pen tool, create clipping paths on these places where we have to finish, and here also. Then here make a clipping path here also. And lastly here. Then create a new layer icon, and now we are going to paint on this separate layer. Press Ctrl Command Enter to activate the clipping path, and now take brush tool. Hardness should be 0%, opacity 30%. Then when we press Alt, we see the dropper, and take sample here, and now increase the brush size using brackets of your keyboard, and then paint. So we can smooth like this. Then take sample from here and finish this portion. After this, here take sample from here and take little bit darker and just a stroke here, and then go to this place and finish here. So we have taken the samples of nearby area and painted. Now press Ctrl Command D to deselect. We can finish these portion, like take patch tool and go to metal layer and select this portion, drag it, and it's gone. We can also finish this. So we can finish the metal. Wherever we find, we can use the spot healing brush also, patch tool. We can paint or clone, whatever way we can clean this surface. Here also we can finish this portion. Go to layer 3 where we are painting press Ctrl Command Enter and take brush tool and take sample from here and then paint. So we can finish always like this. Just Ctrl Command D and little bit touch up here. We can now finish inside the shank. For that, create a clipping path. After that, create a new layer again and now activate the clipping path, press Ctrl Command Enter, then take paint bucket tool, press Alt and take white color and drop here. After that, create another layer. Now take sample from this portion, this color. Now take brush tool, take little bit darker from your sample, and now we can paint little bit here. Press Ctrl Command D and now apply reveal all mask and then we can now reveal some whiteness or shine here. Increase the opacity to 50% and now at this point and here and here. Then take pen tool, after creating this pattern, create a new layer. Now press Ctrl Command Enter, then take brush tool, take dark sample and now we can paint and here also we have to reverse it, select inverse and now paint here. Now take eraser erase this. Erase from here and from here. And inverse again. After this, create a new layer. Go to edit, stroke, and here 6 pixel stroke here, and then deselect, press Ctrl Command D, and then now we can delete this stroke here. You see that the hardness is 0% and opacity 100%. You can reduce the opacity and delete like this. Then create a new layer again, and this time we have to make another pattern. Take like this. And a little bit here. Then now we can diffuse, go to blur, Gaussian blur, diffuse these lines and reduce the opacity. We can create like this pattern, and then we can finish using eraser. Another layer, and then reduce the opacity, and now make little darker. Blur it, Gaussian blur, and we can reduce the opacity. Here we can increase little bit darker. Okay, like this similar pattern we can create. The main thing is that how to create this kind of effect and pattern. We can do that. After that, creating all these layers, then merge from layer 9 to layer metal. Select, press shift and press Ctrl Command E. Now go to diamonds layer. Here we are going to edit these diamonds separately. So how to do that? First go to image, adjustments and gradient map. There go to third option, black and white, and press OK. Next is press Ctrl Command L. Now we have to adjust mid-tone, make it and here we can drag to 240, then go to filter, sharpen, and sharp to sharp these diamonds, and here put 275 and 2. After that, now take dodge tool, hardness 100% and exposure 100%. Then remove these black marks, lighten this, and take point tool, hardness 0%, 25%, and we can little bit give some definition, and here we can little bit touch up. After that, go to layer 9. This is metal layer. Apply reveal all mask, and the foreground color is black. Now we can reveal. Be careful about the prongs. Then back side also enlarge these diamonds to see clearly. We should be careful about these prongs always, because we should not merge or delete these prongs. Because of these prongs we get nice effect on the diamonds, and these give us separation. Then reduce opacity to 75% and then reveal here. Then here now we can increase the shine by pressing Ctrl L. You can adjust mid-tone so that we do not lose details on diamonds. If we open level from this side, then you'll see that details are not showing. So always try with the mid-tone first, then you can use after that. Okay, now take DOS tool again and this time make it 0% and here exposure to 10%, and then we can shine this ring wherever it looks darker. So how to do that? Go to metal layer, select this metal, not this mask, and you can just make it brighter. Here it is looking a little dark. After this, step number 6 is to create shadow. Select layer 2, create a new layer. Foreground color should be black, all 6 zeros, and take brush tool, hardness 0%, opacity 100%, and we can create. Then take eraser, 0% hardness, opacity 100%, we cannot reduce the opacity. After these corrections and retouching, we can now see the after image. Select this layer 2 and now delete this white background, and here is the after image. We can correct ourselves like these patterns. There are some changes, so we can create like these. Okay, thank you.